going to talk about how to convert decimals to fractions. Okay, this is actually not too bad. I'm just going to write out the steps here. The first thing that we're going to do sounds silly, but we're going to say the number. But saying the number, we mean properly say the number along with, place value and everything. So for example, 0.23, we don't say 0.23, what we say is 23 hundredths. Okay, so say the number. Step 2, we're going to rewrite the decimal as a fraction over a power of 10. Now, if it's a mixed number, you're going to hear the word and, right? The word and so the word and will be used. The words before and form the whole number. And the words after and form the fraction. Okay. Step 3, reduce the fraction if possible. Sometimes it's already reduced, and so there's nothing you need to do there. Alright, let's do some examples. So, example 1. Actually, for all of these, we're going to convert the following to to fractions. So number one is 0.7. Remember, what we do is we say the number. This number is 7/10 since 7 is in the tenths place. This means that I write it as 7 over 10. Pretty standard. Let's try problem 2. 9.8. It's a little trickier because we have a number in front of the decimal place, right? We say this as 9 and 8/10, right? 9 and 8/10. So since the 9 comes before the and, we write 9 as a whole number, and then 8/10 is going to be the fraction. So that's 9 and 8/10. Of course, we have to reduce the fraction though, so 8/10 is the same as 4/5, right? We can cancel a 2 out, so we get 9 and 4/5. Let's try a couple more. 10.17. Remember, that's 10 and 17 hundredths. That's 10 and 17 hundredths, like that. And 17 over 100 can't reduce, so we leave it just like that. Problem 4, 0.205. Let's say this number. This is 205 thousandths, right? 205 thousandths. So there we go, 205 over 1,000. Sorry, we should reduce this thing. I should not have boxed that. We should reduce this. If we reduce it by taking out a 5, use our calculators in our brains, right? Divide by 5, 205 divided by 5. I'll show the work here. 41, right? So 41 on the top, and the bottom, if we divide by 5, we get 200. That would be the reduced form of this number. So sorry, we should not have boxed this thing. Let's do one more. 4.008. Let's read this number. This is 4 and 8 thousandths, because the 8 is in the thousandths place. So 4 and 8 thousandths. But 8 actually goes into 1,000 perfectly. If we divide 1,000 by 8, we get 125. So this becomes 4 and 1 over 125. 4 and 1 1/25, like that. Hopefully that's enough information for you guys to be able to work through these. Thanks very much for watching.